You're eating a hair. Oh, stop. Oh, no. Okay.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Are you hungry?
I am.
Welcome to Highway 30. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Amy, and we're here to help you get creative.
So it's been fall here for a little while, but we're actually getting chilly now.
Yes, cold weather has finally arrived, and I think it might be here to stay.
I hope so.
So, today we're going to make a s'mores station.
Yay!
For the fire pit.
Who doesn't love fire pits and s'mores?
I know, right?
When it's cold outside.
It's time for some fire.
Yes.
Time to set marshmallows on fire.
The best ones are the burned ones.
You think?
Yeah, and I don't eat it unless it's black.
Well, now I'm more of a toast it slowly until it completely melts on the inside and it's just nice and brown on the outside.
Well, this has nothing to do with s'mores. But if you burn it on the outside and then you take that top layer, then you have another marshmallow inside and you get to do it again. Because it just comes off and then you've got more marshmallow on the inside.
Oh.
Double, it's a double.
Double marshmallow. So
right.
how do you like your marshmallows? Comment down below and tell us. Because everybody has a very strong opinion about this.
Technique. If you have a great technique, we need to know this.
Yeah. So let's go out in the workshop because, of course, what are we making this out of?
Pallet wood!
Our favorite.
Hashtag pallet wood.
Yeah, so we're gonna cut some wood. We'll tell you exactly what the measurements are for it in case you feel inspired and want to make this as well.
And if you do, we would love to know.
And you can even send us a picture on Instagram because we're there too.
We are.
All right, let's go get started so that we can see how this is gonna turn out.
Very good.
All right.
Go.
We really only need to poly on the side that we're gonna do the stencil. So we need to decide which side that's gonna be.
Which side?
This is the bottom, and then
Okay, these two.
both of these have like a rough texture on one side. Oh, that's rough too.
This is rougher.
This might need to be the back. So should we put
see
the,
that's back.
Yeah,
Okay.
stencil on this one?
Yep.
We're gonna put poly over that. I'm thinking that we should do the poly because we have a
Why, Amy? Why are we doing poly?
I think that we should do the poly because it's a white paint. And it would be a sad thing.
Yeah, it would.
If the stain bled through the paint.
Can you imagine?
What if our white paint turned yellow? Yuck. So we gonna poly.
We gonna poly. We like poly. Poly's our friend.
Let's poly with poly.
Your neighbors think we're really weird right now.
That's okay.
We don't care. Okay.
Let's get to poly. Weeding time.
Weeding. This is a stencil. I have to say that out loud.
Yeah, I'm gonna just start with the letters. I like that A. I'm a fan of A's.
You are a fan of A's, M's, and Y's.
Yes.
All your life. Like on my furniture in my bedroom.
On the back seat of the Camaro.
In the back seat of the Camaro. Etched in.
Yeah. And the inside the refrigerator.
Oh, yeah. They were everywhere. Those A's, M's, and Y's.
I like my name.
You cut your hair. I never did anything bad.
Okay.
Till I was older.
You saved it all for the teenage
I
years?
did.
Okay, that should be good.
Worth it?
time to assemble.
We are it's assemblage.
Yes, we're going to be doing some power tools.
But not a head of hot glue.
Right. So we're going to use...
Because that's how we roll.
Yeah. We're going to use a little bit of wood glue, but just because we want to, we're going to use some hot glue too.
It's immediate satisfaction. It holds things in place.
Yeah.
It's good.
So then when we get the power tool out to go ka-ching, ka-ching, then we won't be as scared.
That's right.
No reason to be scared.
Ka-ching.
Okay. All right. So let's start with the middle. And we're going to add the sides on first.
Yeah.